Hello guys, so packing helper jobs Dubai, April 2022. Packing and helper jobs, a good salary plus benefits plus overtime. Freshers can also apply. Hiring across the UAE. Any nationality can apply for these jobs. Who is eligible to apply for packing helper jobs in Dubai? You must have an educational degree. You must have experience of working in this field. You must be physically and mentally fit. Benefits of packing helper: you will be in active time. So these are informations, you can check it out these. So let's start with the positions first. Packing and helper, career level student or internship. Employment type full-time. Minimum work experience is from 0 to 1 years. Minimum education level is NA, of course. CV is required. Company name is Greenhouse. Company size is 10001 to 5000 people are working here. Phone number is 0586407150. Email is ramizali7868@gmail.com. You can send your CV on this email address, which is listed by recruiter. Job based at Dubai Sharjah and Ajman. Urgent required for packing helper. Basic salary is 1200 plus 200 dirhams. 10 hours duty, 26 days plus overtime. Medical will be provided. Accommodation and transportation will be provided from the company. Visa will be provided and food will be provided. Visit visa candidates can apply. All nationality can apply. Indian, Nepali, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Contact us +971586407150. Service charge is applicable. You can pay service charge. Next is packing and helper and general helper, which is mid-level career. Employment type is full-time. Work experience is from 0 to 1 year is required. Minimum education level is NA. CV is required. No. Benefit: visa, transportation and accommodation will be provided. Company name is Al Minhali Group. Phone number is 0507365477. Email is alramah.002@gmail.com. Listed by employer. Job based at Dubai. Required packing helper, general helper for food packing company in Dubai. Visa will be provided. Accommodation, medical and insurance will be provided. Contact us on 0507365477. Order packer or packer walk-in interview, this has been expired. So these were packing job. Thank you very much and subscribe our channel for daily upcoming videos regarding jobs in Dubai. Thank you very much.